family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. In today's video, I'm going to be showing exactly how I'm maintaining my first silk purse ever. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave it down in the description box for you. I went on a 5 years healthy hair growth journey. 5 years is a lot of time. It takes a lot to be able to set a goal and stick to it for such a long time. But I am so excited that I was able to do that for myself, for the health of my hair. And my 5 years hair growth challenge is over, and this is my first silk purse. So I have no idea how to maintain a silk purse. However, I have my cheat word that I will be showing you in today's video. And today's video is no way by any means a tutorial. So I will probably not be doing it right, but this is what I've been doing to maintain my silk purse. And can you imagine I'm already missing my kinky, curly hair? I'm missing my curls. I'm not used to this. But I was telling my husband today, I was like, babe, I'm missing my curls. He was like, are you serious? It's just been what, three days now? It's just been 3 days and you're already missing your curls. I was like, yes, I'm missing her. I'm missing my little kings. It just feels so weird. I can do this now. And I can also do this. And I can do this. And I'm not used to it. Okay, so too much excitement. Anyway, we just got back home. I was like, let me just film this video to show you guys how I'm preserving my silk purse. And this is what it's gonna be. Let me take this out. It's really getting cold in Georgia. We are from Florida. We are not used to this, but we are hanging in there. We moved from Florida in April, and this will be our first Christmas in our new home. So it's getting really cold, and I don't like the cold, so I have to double up a lot. So first of all, let me just try to detangle this hair a little bit. I can't imagine I'm using a brush on my hair. It feels so strange. Just gonna brush it up really good. I'm still keeping this side pad that we use. And then for tonight, I'm going to put a little bit of, just on my ends, a little bit of oil. I will be using the S Secrets growth oil. This is my 21 ingredient growth oil. This is the oil that's been with me from the day one of my hair growth journey. This oil is also towards the success of my hair growth. Number one is God, because he gave me the knowledge to be able to grow my hair, show me the type of ingredients to use. And this my growth oil is the one that been with me. This is the only growth oil I also use on Sonia hair and Aurora hair. You guys know how long and beautiful Sonia hair is. Aurora hair also is getting very long and healthy. I'm also planning on running a Black Friday sale, so make sure you stock up on it, which is gonna start from what, November 25th up to November 29th. So there will be the Black Friday sale. So we've been working extra hours to make sure that we have extra product available, because you guys know it takes us 30+ days for the infusion of this growth oil. So it takes a long time to make, and it's all handmade, organic, natural ingredients. So you know that you're putting something very healthy on your hair. Okay, so after I brush my hair like this, let me put this over there. I don't know how to wrap hair, but this is what I've been doing. I would just wrap everything. Normally, I would see people wrapping it all the way around, right? I don't do that. That's why I said this is my cheat way. So I grab it, carry it all the way around like this. Make sure it past my ear, and then I just do it over like this, and then comb this. Cause I also want to leave this part there, and I feel when I keep wrapping it all around, that part kind of go away. And then I just brush this a little bit, brush it around, let it wrap around. Smooth this up a bit. I don't want it behind my ear because I'm going to take my shower. I don't want it getting wet, so I also push it up so that it doesn't buck up behind my ears. Now, how long I want to keep my silk purse, that's something that I really don't know because I'm already missing my hair after 3 days. So I'll probably keep it for a week,
You said you were
maybe
keep it for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. That I'm not sure anymore, baby girl.
Mm.
And then I got this my scarf. I picked it up from Amazon.com, and I normally just throw it over it like that. It got this steel here, which is great. And then I'm slowly gonna move my hand from under it, still holding it up, put it behind my ear, hold the hair in place from the back, and then just twist it, wrap it around from the back, make sure all my hair is in. And this is very long, so that make it very good. I also don't want to make it too tight before I get a headache, so I'm gonna just put that around. And then this little back piece hanging back here, I normally just hold it up, push it up on it, and then just tie it about 2 times. I also got my silk bonnet. I will put it over it when I'm going to bed, but I'm now going to take my shower. So I ordered a very big bonnet from Amazon. Let me grab it and I'll also show it to you guys. So this is my very big shower cap, and I love it because it also adjusts from here. So if you have a big afro like me, this is something that come in very handy. You can adjust it to your head size, and this been protecting my silk press. So I put this on, and then I take my shower. After my shower, and then I throw on my bonnet and I go to bed. So I think I will also show you guys the morning routine, how I take it down. It's very simple. I take it down, I brush it, and it stays for the whole day. And in the night I do the same thing. Family, so this is the next morning. I'm just going to show you guys quick how I take my head down. It's very easy. I don't do anything extra with it, and today I don't have anywhere to go, so I'm just gonna take it down and just be in the house. Aurora want me to go and make some slime with her. So yeah, it's just so easy to take down. And then I'm just going to brush it in place. And that's it. It takes me 1 minute, 2 minutes to do this, and I'm done. Oh, this is how the back is looking.
You know, only queens have their husbands coming brush their hair for the night. How does it feel, my queen?
Amazing, my king. Okay, okay, my king. You need to get back to handle the soldiers before we get attacked. That's hobby first time combing my hair in his life. Because when we met, I was relaxed. I had relaxer in my hair, and then my alopecia, so I had to go natural. So this is his first time combing my hair. Family, so this is my simple silk press routine. It takes me 1 to 2 minutes in the morning, and that's it. That's the thing about your hair being straight. You don't have to do a lot of things with it. If it's natural hair, you guys know the struggle. But I am missing my natural hair, so I will probably just keep this in for 2 weeks, and then after, I will go back to being my natural self. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like. Hubby is doing something really bad right now. Do not forget to give this video. You guys know the story. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.